What's up everyone, this is Alt Crypto Gems and today I'm going to show you a trading indicator that should be banned. Not because it's bad, but because you will feel like you've wasted your time trading without it. The indicator is very accurate and tells you exactly when to buy or sell with a win rate of more than 70% right now. If you use it with my custom settings and with an extra indicator that I found, you can even increase this win rate. Now, the time frame that we're going to use is 5 minutes, and the website that we're using today is TradingView, where you're able to plot charts and get indicators. So let's go to the chart and see what indicator I'm talking about. So first of all, go to indicators and search for UT-bot. Click the UT-bot one, and then in the top left, click the little gear icon to change the settings. Then go to inputs and change the key value to 2 and the ATR period to 1. Then go back to style, untick the trailing stop one and untick the buy one and press OK. Now add the same indicator again. So go to indicators and type UT-bot. Go to the settings of the new one, and for input, add the key value to 2 and the ATR period to 300. Then go to style, untick the trailing stop one, and now untick the sell one. Now, as you can see, you're getting a chart with buy and sell indicators. As you can see, for example, over here, there's a buy signal, which then means the price is going up. The same goes for a sell signal, which you can see over here. We got a sell signal and the price went down. From some more examples, this one said buy and goes up. This one said buy and it goes up. And the same goes for sell. It goes down. However, there are still some flaws and ones which didn't work correctly. So we're going to add another indicator to get a higher win rate. So what you're doing is you go back to indicators and you type STC indicator. And you choose the one STC indicator, a better MACD. Click it. And now you can see we're getting an extra line. Now go to the settings of the STC indicator and go to inputs and change the length to 80 and the fast length to 27. Now go to style and click the first plot, choose for green and go for a higher opacity. And for the second plot, you go for red and you increase the opacity as well. Then click OK. Now you can see we have the chart at the top and then another line at the bottom. Whenever we're opening a trade or getting a buy signal, we now have to confirm it with the STC indicator. So how are we going to do this? Whenever we get a sell order, like over here, whenever we get a sell order, then we check, is the line above the red line, which is this one, and do we have a downwards momentum? So we got a sell order here, the line was above the red line, and we had a downwards momentum. So we would have opened this trade. Now for a buy signal, we have the opposite. Whenever we get a buy signal, like this one over here, the line has to be below the green line. So this one wasn't below the green one, so we're not buying this one. Let's get an example. For example, this one. Here we get a buy signal, and the line is below this green line, and we have an upwards momentum. Then we open the trade. So whenever we get a buy signal, it needs to be below the green line and an upwards momentum. And whenever we get a sell signal, it needs to be above the red line and we need to have a downwards momentum. Now let's see this trade in action. Let's say we got a buy order over here. Let's go down a bit like so. Whenever we got the buy order, let's say we got a buy order over here, but as you can see, the line is not below the green line, so we wouldn't have opened the trade yet. Now we got a buy order again, but it is below the green line, but there's no upwards momentum yet. And there we go. Now we have an upwards momentum and we got the buy order. So let's say we opened a long position right now, which would be about here. My stop loss would be near the previous low. So that will be about this part. And let's say the take profit is around the same as a stop loss, but a little bit more. Let's say 1.5 times the stop loss. So we're at not 0 0.96%, so almost 1%. So our take profit would be about 1.5. Let's set it at 1.5, as you can see. And let's see how this trade works out. Boom, there we hit it. You can see the trade even went more than our take profit. So you could set your take profit higher. But this is just to make sure that whenever you're getting trades, you're trading a bit more often than you're opening a trade or closing one every week. So this is just a perfect example of a trade that we opened, which is a long trade. Now let's have a look and do the same with a short trade. So if we were to open a short position, for example, this one, we could have the same. Let's go back to this one. There we had the sell order, but as you can see, the line is still above the red line, but it's not a downwards momentum. And now we got the downwards momentum. The sell indicator has happened and we're starting to get a downwards momentum. So let's say we open a short position. Once again, my take profit or my stop loss will be a little bit near the previous high, a little bit above it. So then we're at 0.3%. So if we use the 1.5 times this again, we would be at around 0.45% take profit. Let's add a bit more, something like this. And let's see how the trade works out. Boom, there we hit it. As you can see, this was a pretty tight trade. We got closed out pretty fast. So if you want, you can increase your take profit again. But basically, this was another great successful trade. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and be sure to follow me on Twitter at AltCryptoGems, and let me know if you've used this indicator in the comments below, and let me know if you made some profit. Thanks for watching.